not minimizing your symptoms. You don't have to suffer silently, and you don't have to make fear-based decisions. And you don't have to make trend-based decisions either. You're allowed to be informed, curious, cautious, hopeful, and discerning all at the same time. That's not being difficult, that's being wise. And if your body has been whispering or maybe shouting that something needs attention, please don't ignore her. Listen, ask, explore, and get support. Midlife isn't the end of feeling well, vibrant, or connected to yourself. It's an invitation to understand your body in a new way and care for her with more wisdom than ever before.